Kathy from LaPorte is unhappily humid.
Well, it's happened since she replaced the windows and roof on her house.
Okay.
Kathy writes to us, we remodeled back in May, and I noticed that the roof the house became extremely humid right after they changed out the roof. So fast forward a couple months, and new baseboards are starting to pull away from walls, doors are sticking, our new range microwave is sweating on the cabinets, and another roofer came and said, well, there are no ridge vents. And she looked at her quote and said, it says ridge vents. So she had the original roofer come in and do it, put the ridge vents in that he was supposed to put in. And Kathy says the house is still humid and she doesn't know what to do.
Well, I don't know. Without any more information than that, I can only tell you this. I think a fresh air return would help tremendously, for one thing. But when you start tightening up a home, and I don't blame the roof, I actually blame the windows more than anything. You made that house so tight that the moisture's not getting out, and your mechanical system is not dehumidifying. It's maybe running less now instead of running enough to dehumidify because the windows are so efficient, which is what you were probably going for to begin with. But I would have someone come out and check your air conditioning system to make sure you're getting a cold enough drop across the coil and that your system is running long enough to dehumidify inside the house. I suspect that's what it is. You just changed the load calculation on the house.
Is it possible that Kathy, while she made sure he put the ridge vents, they didn't make sure there were enough soffit vents put in too?
The ventilation in the attic does not control the humidity in the home.
Okay, that's important.
It is.
That's important.
It controls the humidity in the attic, which is extremely important. But I really think this is due to the new windows.
Oh, blaming the roof.
Those are those super, super efficient windows people are putting in now.
And guess what? Your system wasn't calculated.
No.
I get it. All right, Kathy, go get them. And you can go get answers too. Just send them your question. We'll help you out right here at HomeShowRadio.com, like these videos over here. And we just subscribe to our channel. We'll let you know when they're new ones, and it would sure help us out.